Introducing MAPEI Shower System 4 LVT. MAPEI Shower System 4 LVT is the name of high-performance systems designed for the installation of luxury vinyl tile, or LVT, in wet areas such as shower enclosures, tub surrounds, wet rooms, and other wet areas in both residential and commercial applications. Shower System 4 LVT systems consist of products that are all designed to waterproof and prepare the surface, and to bond and seal LVT in wet environments. This allows for the virtually unlimited visuals found in LVT to be installed in areas traditionally reserved for ceramic tile or stone, with a lot less mess and in a lot less time. The installation process for Shower System 4 LVT systems can begin on new construction or when remodeling over an existing tile or stone installation. For new construction, the process begins by installing waterproof wall panel, drywall, or cement-based backer boards. After these boards have been properly installed, unless they are already waterproof, it is required to cover them with a waterproofing compound to prevent moisture from transferring through. MAPEI's MAPEIUSA Aqua Defense is a perfect choice for this application for its ease of use, quick drying time, and track record of performance. MAPEI offers a wide selection of waterproofing membranes, all of which can be substituted for Aqua Defense. However, it's necessary to properly install a waterproofing membrane before moving to the next step. For remodeling over existing tile, it is a simple matter to make sure that the tile is intact, clean, and free from any cracks or voids that might allow for water to get behind it. Because LVT is resilient and can show substrate defects through to the surface, it's important to make the substrate as smooth as possible. This can be done by skim coating the surface using PlanaPrep 4 LVT, skim coat and embossing leveler. This is a one-component, pre-mixed, water-resistant compound designed to fill nail or screw holes or other minor defects up to 1/16 of an inch in depth. It dries within 2 hours and is easily sanded to a smooth finish. The next step in the process is to install the LVT using Ultrabond Eco MS4 LVT wall. This adhesive has been specifically designed to hold LVT on a vertical surface without slippage. But it is important to give the adhesive at least 10 to 15 minutes of flash time prior to installing the LVT. It is also a good idea to pre-cut pieces of LVT prior to the installation process to make things easier. Here, it is important to determine if your installation will have grout lines between the LVT pieces, or if you will simply butt the pieces of LVT together. If grout lines are desired, to mimic a tile or natural stone installation, grout spacers should be used to create the appropriate gap. Make sure to keep grout lines free from any adhesive buildup to prevent show-through when grouting. If no grout lines are required, simply butt pieces together and avoid any gaps. If grout lines are desired, MAPEI recommends the use of MAPEI Flex Color CQ or Carapoxy CQ grouts. Grouting can be accomplished 12 to 24 hours after the LVT has been installed. Follow all the installation instructions on packaging and technical data sheets for these two grouts. Also, make sure to remove all grout residues from the surface of the LVT, as these will be very difficult to remove once dry. Do not use cement-based grouts. After the entire installation is complete and dry, with or without grout lines, it is time to apply MAPEI 4 LVT over the entire surface of the installation, whether it be on the floor or the wall. MAPEI 4 LVT is a two-component product and will need to be mixed properly before application. Open the box and shake Part A for 2 minutes before pouring the entire contents of Part A and Part B into a clean container. Using a paint mixer, mix for 3 minutes. After mixing, allow the MAPEI 4 LVT to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow for any trapped air bubbles to exit before application. Once the material has set for 5 to 10 minutes, pour the mixture into a clean paint tray and apply to all surfaces using a 1/4 inch or 6 mm lint-free microfiber roller. After the MAPEIUSA 4 LVT has been applied and allowed to cure for 16 hours, changes of plane can be caulked using a high-quality silicone sealant such as MAPEIUSA T+, or a high-performance acrylic sealant such as Caracaulk. Follow the technical data sheet requirements for these materials regarding the required curing time before exposure to water. MAPEIUSA 4 LVT provides two very important functions. It seals the surface of the LVT to prevent water from migrating through any seams, and most importantly, it provides traction control for the LVT when wet. MAPEIUSA 4 LVT provides more than the requirements prescribed by the TCNA, Tile Council of North America. COF, coefficient of friction, for wet surfaces exposed to barefoot or shoed human traffic. So there you have it. MAPEI's Shower System 4 LVT provides a warranted installation method that allows you to take advantage of the incredible design options available in LVT, as well as being cleaner, easier, and faster to install when compared to traditional methods. MAPEI's Shower System 4 LVT is the only way you can install LVT in these kinds of environments. Select LVT and MAPEI's Shower System 4 LVT on your next wet environment project and see for yourself.